So I thought I'd make a quick video on street orienteering, as some of you may not be familiar with the whole setup. Street orienteering is exactly what it says on the tin. You're going to be running around the streets navigating. Usually operates out of a pub. Register yourself, pay over your money, which is usually about £4, and you'll be issued with a dibber. And they look a bit like this. That dibber will log your start time and then also your finish time. For that dibber to recognise you, it will need to be cleared of any previous data. You can then check it into another box to show that it is functioning correctly. I often find it's useful to start your watch just before you dib in at the start. That way you know you're not going to overrun your 1 hour. When you dib in at the start, this will log your time within your chip. This is when you'll be handed your map, with the map being on one side, descriptions or clues on the other. All of the clues are worth different value points. 1 to 19 are worth 10 points, 20 to 29 will be worth 20 points, 30 to 39 will be worth 30 points, 40 to 49 40 points, and 50 upwards will all be worth 50 points each. So it's important to have a look at your map and see the distribution of the points and plan a route. You need to then identify where you are on the map, and this is indicated by the triangle on the map. That is the start-finish location. The checkpoints are all circles and numbered. An example of a clue would be the postcode numbering on a letterbox, names of shops. Once you've established the answer to one of the clues, you then have to write it onto the descriptions, as these will be marked. Once you finish, you'll come in and you need to dib into the finish box. This will stop your time and calculate how long you've been out on the course based on your start time. You'll then need to hand your map in for marking. So you're going to lose 1 point for every 3 seconds you're late coming back. So 30 seconds is equal to 10 points. That's quite strict. So do make sure you don't overrun your hour by too much and lose all of the points you've gained. Wait for your friends to finish, and you can stay for a drink in the pub and talk about the different routes that each of you took. The results will then be put online later on. So equipment you'll need for the street orienteering is a head torch. It's very useful. It gets dark. You'll need a pen to write down the answer. You'll also need to have a watch to time 1 hour. I'd advise wearing some high visibility clothing, ducking and dashing around pedestrians, and you also have to cross roads, and it's important that you are seen. Well, I hope this little video has helped introduce to you the sport street orienteering. I hope to see you at an event there soon. So I hope you find these videos useful. As I said, remember to hit the subscribe button here, and then we've got some previous videos that you might find useful, hints and tips. So take a look now. Got this one here, or this one here. If you've got any other suggestions or questions, remember to put them in the comments below. Anyway, look forward to seeing you at the event soon. Take care, bye.